I just came out of the June internship, and I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I was so scared I was gonna be in the market forever, but it's like once it starts, it just keeps rolling. I don't know what it is. People are like half the time because my resume is so stacked, and once I do my tell me about yourself, they're like, well, I kind of don't have any more questions to ask you. So then they just ask me scenario questions. And
Yeah.
I'm like, whoa, okay. So really everything that they taught us, like, no, like seriously, everything you guys have taught me, I have been able to like over answer questions. So sometimes I'll answer a question and they're like, well, that covers the next question I was going to. They're both direct hire. And honestly, they've been super transparent with me. They're like, the workload's going to be a lot, but since it's
Okay.
a background I'm familiar with, um, I was like, I don't want to overdo it. So I was like, I'm just going to commit to one because the salary is more than I was expecting. So yeah, that's good.
So would it be a
It's
salary
good.
increase for you?
Yes, by like 30 plus. Yeah.
Okay, y'all, we're gonna let her get her offer signed and get the background check